Welcome to Exceptional Architectural Designs. Today I'm diving into three iconic skyscrapers that have left an indelible mark on the world of architecture. Buckle up because we're exploring Taipei 101, the Petronas Towers and the Chrysler Building. First stop, Taipei 101 in Taiwan. Inspired by the shape of bamboo, this skyscraper symbolizes growth, strength and resilience. Each of its 8 sections comprises 8 floors, a nod to the auspicious number 8 in Chinese culture. Standing at a staggering 508 meters, Taipei 101 was the tallest building globally from 2004 to 2010. It's an engineering marvel with a 660-ton tuned mass damper that stabilizes the structure against earthquakes and typhoons. Plus, Taipei 101 is a sustainability pioneer, boasting LEED Platinum certification for energy-efficient lighting, water conservation, and eco-friendly materials. Next, let's jet over to Malaysia for the Petronas Towers. These twin giants stand at 452 meters and were the world's tallest buildings from 1998 to 2004. Their design reflects Islamic geometric principles, with an 8-pointed star-shaped floor plan symbolizing unity and harmony. One of the coolest features, the double-decker Skybridge on the 41st and 42nd floors, the highest 2-story bridge in the world. It's not just a walkway, it's also an emergency exit route, blending functionality with architectural brilliance. Finally, we head to New York City to marvel at the Chrysler Building. Completed in 1930, it's a quintessential example of Art Deco architecture. The building's stainless steel crown, with its interlocking triangular patterns and sunburst motifs, is iconic. Fun fact, the Chrysler Building briefly held the title of the world's tallest structure thanks to a secret 185-foot spire that was assembled in just 90 minutes. The exterior is adorned with gargoyle-like sculptures, resembling Chrysler car hood ornaments, while the interior dazzles with opulent marble and an exquisite mural on the lobby ceiling. These skyscrapers aren't just buildings, they're symbols of cultural significance, engineering prowess, and architectural innovation. Thanks for joining me on this architectural journey, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more episodes of Exceptional Architectural Designs. See you next time!